Hello everyone, in the past video I taught you how to solve quadratic equations by factoring when a equals to 1, and now let's go ahead for case number 2 when a doesn't equal to 1. Here we have to use a and c, not b and c like sum and product. We will call this product and product. That means I will look for two numbers that if I multiply them I will get a, and two numbers if I multiply them I will get c. Now here you forget b, please. Now we don't have sum and product anymore. We have product and product. So a and c. Let me start with an example. We have 6x power 2 plus 13x minus 5 equals to 0. So since a is 6, that means we are in case number 2 because a doesn't equal to 1. A is 6, c is negative 5. So these are products. Again, forget b. Now you need to look for two numbers that if you multiply them you will get 6. So the numbers are 2 and 3, let's say. So you write 2x and 3x. You need to write x next to it. Why? Because x times x is x power 2. So I write them under each other. Let me plan for finding the solutions. What are the two numbers that if you multiply them you will get negative 5? Let's say 5 and negative 1. So you will write them under each other. Now you will do cross multiplication. 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. 3x times 5, 15x. Plus negative 2x here is 13x. So you need to get the answer B. If you guess that the numbers are negative 5 and 1 and you write them like that, 2x times 1 is 2x, 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x, plus 2x is negative 13x. It doesn't work because I need them to be 13x, not negative. So you need to flip the signs. Now you will write them next to each other. 2x plus 5 and 3x minus 1. Then you discuss each bracket aside. Two brackets multiplied by each other, the answer is 0. That means one of them is 0. Either 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So you move 5 to the other side, you will get negative, then divide by 2, x will be negative 5 over 2. Or 3x minus 1 equals to 0, you move 1 to the other side, it will be 1, then divide by 3, so x equals 1 over 3. This is called product and product. Let me go for another example. Solve the quadratic equation negative 2x power 2 minus 4x plus 6 equals to 0. Since a is negative 2, that means I am in case number 2, which is called product. Now I will look for two numbers. If I multiply them, I will get a, and other two numbers, if I multiply them, I will get c. Again, forget b, please. Now what are the two numbers that if I multiply them by each other, I'm gonna get negative 2? So let's say the numbers are negative 2 and 1. So I will write them under each other and I need to add x to that. Because negative 2x times 1x is negative 2x power 2. Now here, see. What are the two numbers that if I multiply them by each other I will get 6? Let's try 2 and 3. I will write them under each other. Then I will do the cross multiplication. Negative 2x times 3 is negative 6x. 1x times 2 is 2, so negative 6x plus 2x is negative 4x, which is working. What if you choose the numbers that if you multiply them by each other is 6? Let's choose 6 and 1. Now with a cross multiplication, you will make sure that you chose the wrong decision, because negative 2x times 1 is negative 2x, and 6 times x is 6x plus negative 2x is 4x, but here I want it to be negative 4x. So it doesn't work. Negative 2x times 2, negative 4x. 3 times x, 3x plus negative 4x is negative 1x. Wrong. It doesn't work. 1 is here and 6 is here. But I will choose the signs. I will make this negative and this negative. Why? Because I want it to be negative 4. Now let's try that. Negative 6 times negative 1 is positive 6. Negative 2x times negative 1 is 2x. 1x times negative 6, negative 6x plus 2x is negative 4x. So now I will write them next to each other down in brackets. Either negative 2x minus 6 equals to 0, or 1x, which is x, minus 1 equals to 0. Now, either the first one is 0, when you move negative 6 to the other side, it will be positive 6. If I move negative 6 from here, I put it here, it will be 6. Divide both sides by negative 2, so x will be negative 3. X equals negative 3. Now, what about the second one? Or x minus 1 equals to 0. That means x equals to 1. If you find it difficult, try with me to solve this one. Solve the quadratic equation 5x power 2 plus 12x minus 9 equals to 0. So a is 5, b is 12, c is negative 9. Since a is not 1, that means I am in case number 2, which is product and product. What are the two numbers that if I multiply them I will get 5? 5 and 1. Please add x to that because 5x times 1x is 5x power 2. Now what are the two numbers that if you multiply them by each other you will get negative 9, negative 3 and 3. Now do the cross multiplication. 5x times 3, 15x. 1x times negative 3, negative 3x, plus 15x, 12x. Let's say you make a mistake. You just write 1 up and 5 down. You don't know. Because 1 times 5 is 5 also. Do the cross multiplication. 1x times 3 is 3x. 5x times negative 3 is negative 15x, plus 3x is negative 12x. But here I want the answer to be positive 12x. That means I need to flip the numbers. Put 5 up and 1 down. So now I have 5x minus 3, I will write it in a bracket, times x minus plus 3. Now either 5x minus 3 equals to 0. When you move x to the 3 to the other side, it will be positive 3. Then divided by 5 is 3 over 5. Or x plus 3 equals to 0. So when you move 3 to the other side, it will be negative. It's your turn now.